What's up YouTube, and today I will be talking about chord theorems. So let's just dive straight into it. For the first chord theorem, if you have a chord of equal length, two chords of equal length, and that means the angle that is subtended from these chords at the center is going to be the same over here, which means this is theta and this is theta. Conversely, if you have two angles at the center of a circle that are subtended to make a chord, then those chords are also both the same. Now, for the second theorem, if you had two chords also the same length as before, that means that when they meet at the center, they are equal distance, which means they are the same distance away from the center. Conversely, if you have two chords that are the same distance away from the center, then the chords are both the same. So let me repeat myself. If two chords are the same length, that means they are equal distance. For the third chord theorem, if you had if the perpendicular of the center of a circle bisects a chord, right? Which means that these two lines over here, suppose this is the center, even though doesn't really look like it, but still, right? That means that this angle, the perpendicular bisector of this chord, is going to make a 90 degree and 90 degree, and these two are going to be the same because they're both radiuses. And since these both are the same, that means these two also have to be the same. Now, for the last chord theorem, is going to be that every perpendicular bisector of a chord meets at the same center, no matter what. Even if it's like really tiny or really big, they're always gonna meet at the center. The perpendicular of all chords always meet at the center. And there you have it. These are your chord theorems. Very simple, very easy, and boom. Thank you.